देखो सबसे पहले हम पढ़ रहे हैं बिहारी प्रोवर्ब। अगु नाथ ना पछु पगाहा बिन छान के कूदे गधा। In this proverb, Agunath denotes a responsible, alert, progressive leader, coordinator or guru etc. Pagaha represents the rope that control, guides or regulate in the form of past values, rules, discipline, morality, system or constitution. While Gadha donkey denotes an irrational, inert and unprogressive person or system, बिना छान के कूदे denotes uncontrolled, undisciplined and unruly activity. Thus, this proverb denotes disaster associated with a person or system which is unregulated and without checks and balances. In a society that thrives on law, governance and structure system, the absence of regulation and checks and balances often appear to be a flaw. However, the idea of an unregulated person or system holds both positive and negative dimension. Each depends on the context, application and consequences. In this essay, we will explore both sides of the argument, particularly in relation to India, a country with diverse political, social and economic structures. The negative aspect of unregulated system. One of the most significant negative consequences of an unregulated system is the risk of exploitation and abuse of power. A system without checks and balances inevitably leads to unchecked authority, where leader or institution operates with impunity with no accountability to the public. When Lord Sri Ram again ascended the throne after exile, he clearly said to the people, citizen and minister, जाऊ अनीति कछु भसाऊ भाई, ताऊ मोही वराजाहू वै विसराई। मतलब इसका मतलब है डेट इज़ व्हेन आई से और डू समथिंग अनएथिकल स्टॉप मी इमीडिएटली। दिस वॉज एन अनप्रेसिडेंटेड एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ ए सेल्फ कंट्रोल in a monarchical system of the governance. In India, a democratic country has often experienced instances of corruption and misuse of power, particularly when powerful entities, both political and bureaucratic, functions without oversight. The infamous case of 2G spectrum scandal is a primary example. In this case, politicians and corporate leaders exploited their unchecked authority to allocate spectrum licenses at below market rate, causing the government a loss of billions of dollars. The absence of a strong regulatory framework and oversight allowed these individuals to manipulate the system, causing great harm to the nation's economy. Another negative outcome is the erosion of trust in public institutions. When system operates without transparency, citizens may begin to feel disillusioned with governance. This leads to a fragile social contract between the government and its people, with citizens questioning the integrity of those in power. A clear example is the frequent public outcry over police brutality. In many states, police force act with impunity due to lack of effective oversight and regulation. A notable case is the 2019 Hyderabad encounter, where 4 accused rapists were killed by police under controversial circumstances. While some hailed it as a swift form of justice, the lack of regulation and accountability raised concern about human rights violation, undermining trust in judicial system. अब हम आगे देखते हैं. The lack of regulation also hamper innovation and progress in some sector. In India, unregulated private education system, for instance, the absence of proper oversight has resulted into a system where the quality of education varies drastically between institutions. Some school exploits the system by charging exorbitant fees for substandard education, leading to a widening gap in educational opportunities. This imbalance creates a society where rich have access to quality education while the poor are left behind, exacerbating inequality. Positive aspects of unregulated system. On the flip side, an unregulated system can sometimes allow for greater flexibility and efficiency. Regulation, when overly strict, can stifle creativity, initiative, and growth. In certain situations, loosening the grip of bureaucracy may encourage individual or institution empowerment, enabling swifter decision making and ability to adapt to the changing circumstances. A noteworthy example of this in India is the startup ecosystem. In early days, the Indian technology startup, particularly in IT sector, thrived because of minimal regulation and governmental intervention. India's software industry flourished. The entrepreneur were able to navigate quickly through the hurdle of bureaucracy. Unrestricted by complex web of regulation, many tech companies such as Infosys, Wipro, Tata Consultancy Services were able to innovate, grow, and compete on global scale. In the absence of stringent check, India's startup culture has also led to emergence of successful companies जैसे कि Flipkart and Ola, which have revolutionized e-commerce and transportation within the country. Another example is the real estate sector. For decades, India's real estate market operated in a relatively unregulated space. While this may have led to challenges, it also meant that the real estate developer had the freedom to create unique and large scale projects that helped meet the growing demand for housing. Though problematic in some cases, this unregulated growth allowed for rapid urbanization and rise of infrastructure projects like Gurgaon and Noida, which transformed rural landscape into thriving city in short period of time. In the cultural and social sphere, unregulated environment can sometimes foster greater freedom of expression and experimentation. In India's film industry, for instance, Bollywood has historically been known for its creative latitude. While this sometimes leads to controversial and unorthodox content, it also allows filmmakers to push boundaries and present bold narratives that challenge societal norm, contributing to India's rich cultural fabric. This creative freedom can be seen as a product of a system where censorship is not always regressively applied. Role of regulation in and its importance. Despite these potential positives, the importance of checks and balances can be overstated. In a democratic system, regulation is fundamental to ensuring fairness, justice, and protection of the right. It provides a framework for accountability and transparency, which are crucial for proper functioning of institutions and the trust that citizens place in them. For example, Right to Information Act in India, though not without its flaw, has been a critical tool for ensuring that public institutions remain transparent. It has allowed citizens and activists to demand accountability from public authorities and has helped unearth cases of corruption and mismanagement. It is through regulation that system and individuals are held accountable, ensuring that power is not abused for personal or political gain. In India, the absence of proper regulatory framework in many areas, particularly in sectors like healthcare, has also led to a significant problem. The Ayushman Bharat scheme, which aimed to provide health insurance to economically disadvantaged citizens, represent a step towards a more regulated approach in healthcare sector. Without regulating measures to govern each scheme to govern such scheme, resources may be misused, leaving the intended beneficiary without adequate support. Similarly, political accountability is a direct result of checks and balances. In India, political system often faced criticism for the lack of stringent regulation governing electoral processes, which allow for the proliferation of corruption, vote buying, and criminalization of politics. Without adequate checks, political leader can exploit their position, resulting in significant damage to democratic values. Conclusion: an unregulated system or person without checks and balances had both potential benefits and drawbacks. While it may foster creativity, flexibility, and rapid growth in some sector, it also risks leading to corruption, exploitation, and lack of accountability. In a country like India, where governance, politics, and institution plays a crucial role in everyday life of its citizens, the need for regulation and oversight become even more important. The challenges lies in finding the right balance where freedom and innovation can thrive, but not at the cost of fairness, equality, and justice. In the end, a well regulated system ensures that power is used responsibly and that the benefit of growth and progress reach to all the section of society.